Hello guys, Kemi here, and I wanted to talk about the tablet I got from Huion, you know. They offered me a sponsorship, so hell yeah, I'm into that. And before we start, I wanted to say I'm really sorry for taking so long to make that video. The lady that was talking to me by email was so freaking nice and patient to me. I didn't even know there are people like that, so a little point for her. So the first part is going to be an unboxing, then a speed paint, and the last part my thoughts about the tablet. So the tablet comes in a cute box with a crocodile in it. So cute! It arrived safely to me, so another bonus point for not letting it die. So there's a thank you card, pretty cute though. The links you need to make the tablet work, like the drivers, and obviously the tablet. I thought it would be bigger, but that's good. It's smaller than my previous one, but that's obvious because the Wacom one was a medium and this is a small one. It comes with a glove. It's for the screen tablets, so you can normally lean on your hand and don't click anything, but in this one you don't need that. And the pen. It fits perfectly in my hand. I really like it because the previous one didn't sit well in my hand, though. And don't look at this. This is what acetone does with a tablet pen. I just wanted to clean my nails. Yeah. The instructions, there are many languages, even Polish, and that's good for me because as you can hear, my English is crap. You have the ends, the points, I don't know how to say that, but the thing is that you click with the pen, you know, you have to change them, and the pointers, I don't know how to say it. And the cable, it's pretty long and I like it this way because I like to be far away from my desktop. The Wacom one was kind of short and that bothered me a little, but yeah, I could use it anyway, but that's just better. Overall, the tablet is really good and I highly recommend it if you was planning to buy a tablet to draw or whatever you want. You can even play also on it, that works well too, I tested it. And about the speed paint, I wanted to draw something easy, but I didn't have an idea for it. So this is Puchek. Puchek is dead. But yeah, I really like doing line art with it, but that's an irony because I didn't do a line art here. Okay. But more about the tablet. It does really smooth lines, so the line art is just like I'm in heaven, really. I really love it, and yeah. It has better specifications, that's how it's called, than the Wacom one I had. It's way better. It has more pen pressure points, or I think that's called like that, I don't know. I will show you now the specifications on the screen. You can also just search it on the official page, you'll have them there. And yeah, I'm really proud of this drawing because it didn't take me too long, but I think it's cool. I like how I did the background. I don't do backgrounds too often. And yeah, I hope you like it too. I mean, I hope you like it. So, about the tablet overall, I think it's really good and I really recommend it to basically everyone. Many of my friends have them, so I know a lot about them. You may think I said that just because they told me to, but no, that's not true. They didn't tell me to say, yeah, all their tablets are good. No. I'm not like that. I tell what I think, because I don't like lying. Lying, it's just bad. It's just bad. Yeah. Sorry for my voice, it hurts a little bit, but yeah, I'm trying. And yeah. And I have one more question. I wanted to ask you guys if you want some story times or something. I mean, I know my English is pretty bad, but if I were to write it down, it would be a lot easier and it would be better. But I just don't like writing scripts, so this is all spontaneous. So if you want more talking from me, you can write it in the comments. I will really like. And you can write also if you want some challenges with my voice or something like that, because I really would like to make videos with my voice, maybe in the future with my face if you want, a face reveal maybe. But yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, check the description and wear your seatbelt.